Hello, good morning. It's a fairly dry looking picture out there, quite a bit of cloud around, and the winds will start to pick up, particularly out towards the west of the UK later on this morning. But let's start the picture across Scotland. It's a fairly dry looking picture, bits and pieces of patchy light rain, but there is some sunshine to be had, mainly up towards the coastline. Also some patchy mist and fog for parts of Northern Ireland, but again some sunshine breaking through here. And for England and Wales, a fairly dry start. The lowest of the cloud and the mist and fog looks like it'll be out towards the eastern side of the UK. And in some of these gaps, it has been cold enough for bits of patchy frost as well. As we head through the course of this morning, not a huge amount changes. It's a fairly decent start for much of Scotland, Northern Ireland, as I said, but by the time we get through to lunchtime, we'll see this band of rain just starting to creep into the western coast and maybe some western parts of Northern Ireland. Elsewhere, though, away from that, some of that cloud should tend to thin up and break a little bit too. So although temperatures look as if they'll be fairly similar, with the best of sunshine out towards the southwest of England, maybe Wales, and with lighter winds, I think it should feel a little bit warmer than it did on Saturday. Now for the rest of Sunday, this band of rain gradually works its way across the rest of Scotland, the rest of Northern Ireland, and by the time we get through to the evening time into parts of northern England too. Away from that though, it's a fairly quiet end to the day, hopefully with a bit more sunshine generally than we saw on Saturday. Just a bit of low cloud though, lapping around some coastlines of southeast England and the English Channel. Now this band of wet weather is all linked up to a huge area of low pressure, which, as we head through the latter stage of the weekend into the new week, will usher in a lot colder air. That's marked by these blue colours on the map here. We also see a change to northwesterly winds. It's a significant change because we lose our grey, drab, overcast weather we've been used to for the last few days, and it's replaced by something an awful lot more changeable, colder and showery as well. It doesn't quite arrive on Monday though. Monday's a transition day. That band of wet weather will work its way through, clearing the southeast of England, and then it's the turn of the cold air to really filter through, bringing with it some blustery showers, initially some snow for Scotland, but by the end of Monday and into Tuesday, some of that snow may well make its way a little bit further south. Bye-bye.